Stephanie, thanks for your time today. I wonder if we could talk a little bit about why it's important for brick and mortar retailers to understand the importance of mobile devices and particularly embracing or changing to embrace omni-channel.
Yeah, that's a great question. So just to make sure we're all on the same page, omni-channel, right, is really driven by this shopper, the end user, where they want an experience. They want an experience in store, online, and now even mobile, right? So as IT decision makers, and as we're supporting those that are enabling this new experience, we need to make sure that we're creating an experience where shoppers want to shop, right? They're no longer just shopping in brick and mortar. They're no longer or just shopping online. We're finding now that shoppers are shopping where they want to be, no matter what time of day, whether that's on their mobile phone, whether that's on their desktop or notebook, or whether that's walking and going into a brick and mortar store. So it's critical for us to create a seamless experience across all three vectors.
So this, of course, makes a lot of sense. What are some examples or good ways that retailers are creating a seamless mobile and retail experience?
Yeah, so if you think about it, if you break it down to kind of the simplest viewpoint, you could say, hey, as a shopper walking into a brick and mortar, I know as a kind of taking the data that shopper has already gone on their mobile device or computer. They've already started their shopper journey. So how do we take that data, right? So data is king, right? How do you take that data and how do we enable that experience through the offline and online world? Because as I go, if I'm able to capture that data from their online usage, as they walk into the offline store, the brick and mortar store, we're able to capture more sales and retain higher customers. And that is the critical element. So if you look at retailers like a Walmart, for example, Walmart created their app, right? So they have a pay app right now where they're starting to get the data from their customers. It's driving retention, and they're able to take that data and start to market to them both online and offline when they're in the brick and mortar. There's other examples too. If you go to different vectors, let's go to clothing, right? Take a Neiman Marcus, for example. Some of the things that they're doing, in fact, they won the Innovation Award at NRF this past year for some of the cool things that they're doing. They have an app called Snap Find Shop, where if a shopper sees something that they like, they can take a picture of it, they put it into their Neiman Marcus app, and then Neiman Marcus can then show them their products of how they can buy that item or something similar. That's a great example of retailers really stepping up their game to create this, what we're calling an experience for that shopper to say, hey, this is true value to me, and this is showing me taking the offline and online experience and incorporating it into a seamless kind of journey for that shopper.